a tomato, and I need you to stop putting me in the fridge. Seriously. I was born juicy. I was born flavorful. I was born to be the star of your salad. The fridge. That's where my dreams go to die. It just turns me into a sad, mealy shadow of my former self. And another thing stops squeezing me like you're checking my soul. A gentle touch is all it takes. If I'm a little soft, that means I'm ready to rock your world. If I'm leaking, well, we're past the point of talking, aren't we? So please, respect the tomato, leave me on the counter where I belong, or you can just enjoy your sad, tasteless sandwiches. Your choice. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more food truths.